4.0 program broken up. The program runs in 2 terms. So we have term 1 here and term 2. So term 1 is our C1, C2 term, which we've just finished. And term 2 is what we're going to be doing now, which is our A2 and V1 term. Each term, whether it's term 1 or term 2, lasts a total of 6 months. And the terms are set up to provide 1 test-taking skill module and 1 project-based module. So the test-taking skill modules are C1 and A2, and the project-based modules are C2 and V1. So take these almost like cousins, they're just in a different term. As already mentioned, there is the C1, A2 modules that focus on the test taking. So this term we'll be looking at A2, but just to give you a little bit of an overview, the core focus is to focus on the 4 key ESL skills: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. C1 is very similar to a junior master lesson. It's about exploring a topic, reading or listening, and breaking down through discussion. The major difference between 4.0 and April here is that the focus for the reading will be skimming and scanning skills, as opposed to the full passage breakdown. And again, they'll also be looking at reading passage structures and trying to identify the patterns, as opposed to going through and reading the whole passage. The aim of this is to ensure quick test-taking skills for examinations. However, this term, the A2 term, focuses even more on those test-taking skills and is all about speed and precision. The A2 module focuses on 10 question types for reading and 4 listening passage structure breakdowns. These skills, alongside speaking and writing practice, are reviewed to improve test scores and prepare the students for any transferable test skills for IELTS and TOEFL. A2 is a parent-favoured module due to the focus on this test prep. Students are provided with skill sets for answering question types as opposed to a full passage breakdown. So the students will never ever read a full passage for A2. It's all about question strategy. And this again is to enhance speed and precision within the exams. Question strategy will be the focal point for any A2 lesson, no matter what the lesson is. Then moving into the C2 and V1 modules. The C2 and V1 modules are more creative based. They are class projects, and each module requires a project output at the end of the lessons. Both modules promote collaborative learning, and the projects are recorded similar to a CTP, as you can see here. It's very similar to a CTP. It has to be recorded and uploaded to LMS after the lesson. So last time we did C2, and C2 focused upon topic exploration and project creation to resolve current world issues or promote a just cause, such as how to save the environment, how to reduce pollution. The students will work together using critical thinking and teamwork to come up with a solution to one of these problems. This term, we're going to be doing the V1 module, and the V1 module is a literature-based module. The aim of the module is to support critical analysis of literary themes. The module is essential in developing students' identification of themes within literature, as well as general reading comprehension skills. Students will always create a project based upon a literary theme they explore within class. This is usually sparking creative thinking and students' imagination. Both modules will focus upon creative development and presentation skills. Both modules require a project recording 2 times per month.